welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, obviously you want to get this look, and I, Christian Allure, am going to show you how to do it. So I'm starting with my eyebrows on and my face freshly washed and primed. What I'm going to do first is my eyeshadow. I'm not used to doing bright colors or bold colors. I'm really like a really simple, neutral person, but today I want to look like money. So the Subculture palette is going to be the main palette that I use today. So what I did was I took New Wave and made that my transition shade, and then I took Untamed and applied that to my crease in like the outer corner of my eye just to give it this smoky look. So what I'm gonna do next is cut my crease because that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm scared. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna go back in with New Wave, which is the same shade that I use as my transition color, and I'm just gonna like blend that out. Like. So for my foundation, I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Butter Pecan. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch and conceal. Blend out everything. I don't always use a brush to blend out my concealer, but sometimes I'll do the brush first and then go back over my concealer with my beauty blender. This sponge and I'm gonna just set underneath my eyes. So before I do that though, I'm gonna make sure all of the concealer is blended nicely. my setting powder is I like to push it into my concealer, I guess. I don't know if that's what they call it, but this is what I do, okay? And I don't like the powdery look. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna turn out because I don't do stuff like this. This is not me. Okay, so I want to set my whole face. Like, my face should not be moving. She shouldn't go nowhere, okay? She ain't going nowhere. Pressed powder, I'm gonna use the shade Cappuccino. Like I said, I don't just pile on a lot of makeup at one time. I like to build my face. Like, I don't want to be too much, but I don't want to not be enough. You know what I mean? Girl, get into it. Get into it. Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio blush, and I'm gonna use this shade mixed with this shade, but mainly this one. I mean, really coming into form. Really, that's all I'm doing, is just coming into form. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. Canopy? I'm gonna use this brush to apply my highlighter. Bake right here for a minute. My Bare Minerals Cappuccino. This brush has bronzer on it, and I'm just gonna go over my nose. I didn't pick up any more setting powder. I'm just going back over and pushing the setting powder into my skin, which is what I do a lot, because you don't have to keep adding powder to your face, you know, like, use what you already have, like, on your beauty sponge, because the less powder you add, the less cakey you look. The next thing I'm going to do is be taking my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face like 2 times. Okay, 3 times. I'm going to go in this Milani highlighter, and this is in the shade Strobe Light 4. One, I'm telling you, let me show you. I'm gonna finish my eyes because this is not the finished look. That is dark. Okay, so I just put some of that Untamed color underneath this little piece, like not even halfway, like it's really not even noticeable. But time to apply these lashes. Bloop, I'm back. Now I can go and do my lips. Well, obviously what I come up with is gonna be good because y'all gonna be watching this video. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Naked. This is a matte lipstick, but I think I'm gonna do a gloss. So you're gonna see how this comes out. Ain't she cute though? Am I becoming disappointed? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try this Too Faced lip injection. This is in the shade Baby Alert. Oh! I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I like to set my face, like put all of my sprays on my face before I do my mascara and stuff, just because I know sometimes like when you set your face, your mascara can like fall, and I just don't want that problem. I don't want that problem today. So, did she just really step out like that? Did she? So now I'm gonna take this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and that is what I'm gonna use for my lashes today. After I set my face, after I put setting spray on, I think that when you go back over your contour, it just brightens it. Like, it looks so bright and like I look nice and toasted and like gilded and just So that concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, tell your friend to tell a friend, because there will be more videos. There will be more bomb looks.